welcome of grade 10A, and I'm here to talk about my role model. But before that, I would like to say something about myself. I love dancing, and it really makes me feel good. I usually dance when I'm happy or sad, or sometimes even when I'm alone. And I've participated in some functions like Teacher's Day and the farewell function for the previous batch of grade 10, and it has been a really great experience for me. The weird part is, whenever I listen to music, I just start dancing. And some people say I'm crazy, but I'm happy being me, and call me unique, because it's my inborn quality. Sorry for getting off topic, so let's get back to who my role model is. Well, his name is Adam G. Sevani, and he was born on 29th of June in 1992. And he's an Italian. He was raised up in Los Angeles in California, and he had started dancing from a really young age. And he's also an American actor and a dancer, and he was well known for playing the role of Robert Alexander III. And this guy, he's the cast of moves in the Step Up series, that is Step Up 2, Step Up 3D, Step Up Revolution, and the Step Up All-in-One. It's a movie about dance, and this guy, he's a really great dancer, and he's intelligent, and he's got a really great sense of humor. He's supportive and liked by all, and he's the kind of guy that can dance on the spot on any music or beat that you give him. Well, he's always ready to take challenges from anyone, and he puts his full potential on what he does, and he really gets through it. So, with all these qualities, he has also inspired me to become a stupendous dancer like him. Thank you. And now, I have a small dance performance for everyone here. And for me, dance, it helps to keep me fit and healthy, and it also relaxes my mind. Well, it gives me confidence, and it's a kind of exercise for me. So, the dance that I'm going to show you guys is not the kind of dance that everyone would appreciate, but still, all I want to say is that it is not that easy as you think. So, here I go.
Nice moves, Lincoln. Okay friends, I hope you all have been energized. Now we have Vidya to speak about a dynamic personality whose unique quality inspires